Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with Hershey's. First, select the freshest, ripest strawberries you can find. Wash them gently and dry them completely. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking. Next, prepare your workspace by gathering your Hershey's chocolate, a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl, and a sheet of parchment paper for cooling. Now, let's melt that delicious Hershey's chocolate. A double boiler is ideal for a smooth, even melt, preventing scorching. If you're using a microwave, heat the chocolate in short, 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. Continue until the chocolate is perfectly smooth and glossy, without any lumps. This ensures a beautiful coating. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. On another note, just like you wouldn't settle for cheap chocolate, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part: dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem or the green leaves. Dip it into the warm, melted Hershey's chocolate, rotating to ensure an even and complete coating. Lift the strawberry and gently tap it against the bowl's edge to remove any excess chocolate. Then, place it on your parchment paper. Once dipped, you can get creative. Drizzle with white chocolate or add some colorful sprinkles for a festive touch. After decorating, let your chocolate-covered strawberries set. You can leave them at room temperature if it's cool, or place them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. They're ready when the chocolate is firm and glossy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.